guys, I hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Mele John and karibu sana, and in case it's your first time to come across this channel, kindly subscribe. So guys, it's early in the morning and it's around 8. Okay, for me it's early, so it's on a Saturday and I'm making breakfast here. As you can see, I'm making mandazi. So my hubby is coming from work. His flight was around 7:30 in the morning, so he'll be here in like 30 minutes. So I'm making him breakfast. That is mandazi, and yeah. So yeah guys, I'm so excited because he has been away for 1 week, and yeah, this is what we are going to make him as he comes back. So yeah guys, let's cook some mandazis because he'll be here in like 30 minutes. So yeah guys, let's get to it.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9.
So guys, I don't know why they are not like, I don't know, I put just a little baking powder. I don't know why that's the reason or what. Not sure, some are flat, some are, but as long as they are sweet. For me, I don't know how to cook mandazi. That's my, for I know chapatis and all else, but mandazi, no. I know you will be surprised when cooking mandazi. Guys, I'm done with the mandazis, and here are the extras. And hey, don't judge, this got burnt a little, but they're so yummy. And what about this here? Don't judge my packaging. And I'm not good at cooking mandazi, so yeah, that's a fact. I'm still trying to see how I can cook better mandazis for my family. So yeah guys, and look who is here. Let's go. And hubby is already here, already working again. Yeah, so yeah guys, let's go. And I'm preparing chocolate because not everyone likes milk here, so yeah, that's what we are going to have. So guys, after breakfast, my hubby relaxed a little, but we went shopping for, yeah, we went a little shopping. So I'm going to show you what we have bought and just a few things. We are going to, and you are going to unpack with me guys. So let's get to it. So guys, let's get to it. Let's unbox my shopping with me guys. I don't know, the camera, it's a bit blurred and clear. Perfect, now it's clear. Unpack with me guys. So these are just snacks. These are cake muffins. I decided to buy muffins this time. Someone has already eaten Kidajo. You guys, my baby loves Kidajo, and I don't know, it's so expensive and it's so small. Just a small package, I don't know why. So yeah, not so much. Not milk. I have this offer for chocolate, drinking chocolate. I love these things. I love them. Then I bought macaroni pasta, which we are going to make for dinner. And then I decided to buy jam. For me, I don't like jam, but I want to see if Taraj will like it. So I bought this and some minced meat, tomato paste, And so we decided to buy 7 C's cod liver oil for Taraji. We want her, you know, she's going to school real soon, so we want her just to be strong for my chapatis. So I bought this soy sauce. I want to try this. I normally see people cooking with soy sauce, so I have never tried, but I want to try this one for the first time, guys. Sometimes I feel like I need to try things now. I bought Havina, which is a bit around 680. So yeah, guys, so I hand this unga for chapatis. I have more, so I just bought this to feel like I've done shopping. When I go to supermarket and don't buy unga for chapati, I don't know, I feel like I haven't done anything. So I bought Hostess. My flour for ugali is amazed, but I want to try this. This was my first love, so I want to see whether it's still good. So Hostess was my first love actually. Then I went to Amaze. I bought Hostess again, and then since we are not going to the village real soon, so I bought this rice and Weetabix. I think I have some more shopping outside. Let me get. So guys, and here I bought some serviettes, diapers. You know, my baby uses she'll use this for 1 month because she's using the toilet. She just uses them when she's asleep, and she doesn't even susu on bed, that is pee on bed. So yeah, I'm going to put this time here. Serviettes, they are for kitchen. So I bought some pads for me. I added this for one of the toilets. I bought this for Taraji. They are so cute. I saw like they were so cute and bought them. And this for my utensils. Then for mosquitoes, this do. It's good. It's a repellent. It's so good when you have mosquitoes in your house. And this sunlight. I love this. And then I have my Nengai, my favorite, you know, this forever. Then this wire, Sokoni. I think this is for hubby. And they hand this offer for tissue tenner. So I normally buy Hanan, they hand this offer, special offer. I have never used tenner, but I want to try them. Maybe they are the best. So yeah, we try whatever is on offer. But they look so cute and quality. But let me use them and see. I guess, guys, that's the end of my shopping. Yeah, that's what I bought today. I wasn't going to buy a lot of things. Yeah. So yeah, guys, this is my shopping from Naivas shopping. Yeah, this is just what I got, guys. And guys, things are so expensive nowadays. Oh my god. So guys, I bought this cereals yesterday. I want to cook cereals because I noticed my fridge is a bit empty, and so I bought dengu. This brown dengu. They are called Western. I forgot that name. I will Google it. So I'm going to cook this dengus. I have kamande, just small. I have kamande and green dengus. So yeah, that's what I'm going to cook today. Today will be a busy day for me. So yeah, but I'll take you along, guys. guys, I'm done cooking. The cup Monday is ready. Now it's these western dingoes, the brown ones. Next. Yeah, and I'm here washing. This is like the 5th time I've washed these dingoes. This is not just the first time. So let's get to it. And I think this fridge is so big, but let's see. Guys, I'm almost done. Imagine the only thing, I'm actually cooking dinner. I was washing the utensils over here, guys, and this is my commander. I'm still about to cook this. This just takes 1 hour. It doesn't take much time. And guys, yeah, so the lights went off, that's why I didn't film, and it's around 8. So I'm making dinner. I'm going to make, this is minced meat and pasta, macaroni. I call them macaroni. They are here. So this is what we are having for dinner. Yeah, so let me get to it. I'm actually boiling water. This is my first time to cook this, guys, so I'm not sure what I'm doing. So yeah, let me get to it. But I was told it's like cooking spaghetti. So yeah, I normally eat them, but I've never cooked them, so that's why. So yeah, so guys, I'm done cooking the dingoes. These are the western dingoes, the brown ones. They smell so good, and the camantes. So I want to stock them in the fridge because yeah, I need to stock them. I just waiting for them to be a bit cool because I don't like to put them when they are hot. So I had to wait until morning. It's morning actually. So yeah, I did finish quite late cooking this. So yeah, guys. Hey guys, actually we are in the next morning. As you have seen, my dingoes are ready, my cereals are ready, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video till the end, guys, and tell me what you think, what you do as at home, in case you are a housewife, or yeah, you are working at home, all sorts of those things. So yeah, guys, I see you on my next video, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. So until my next one, bye.